Good afternoon and welcome back to the Perkins Garage's YouTube channel for another instalment of Dan's quickfire 5-minute walk around videos. Now I'm quite aware we're not going to cover everything this has to offer in just 5 minutes, but we're going to give it a good go. This is a chrome blue Ford Transit Custom Nugget L1 featuring the 2-litre Eco Blue engine producing 185 PS of power, transmitted through the front wheels through an automatic gearbox. Registered on a 2022 registration, will be taking Ford manufacturer warranty all the way till September 2025. The mileage on the clock is just 4,800, and do we have some spec to cover in the next 4 minutes or so. So let's get on with it. Near side front to begin with. Look at this beautiful chrome blue colour. We have Ford LED daytime running lights and some fantastic headlights to go with it. These are automatic headlights and auto high beam as well, one less thing to worry about. Front fog lights and front parking sensors trail themselves around that front lip of the bumper. Little dally bit down there is for the driver assistance pack, and we have this glorious gloss black front grille. Moving ourselves around, we can see these silver sparkle 16-inch alloy wheels fitted with the Goodyear efficient grip tyres as standard, and only doing 4,800 miles of work. They're in fantastic condition. Going to peer you through the driver's seat there. We've got it all configured inside. We're going to see that in a minute, but we've got cruise control, we've got a Sync 3.4 monitor, satellite navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, to name a couple of bits of spec. The outdoor living area, here we go. We have this beautiful Westphalia canopy, so that's going to protect you from the rain and other elements. Comes supplied with 2 Westphalia outdoor chairs and this lovely outdoor table. Perfect area to have a nice glass of Chateauneuf de Pape when you're on your way down to the south of France. Now I get to the rear of the vehicle. We'll have a look in a second. I just want to show you the body for the left hand side. This is where the leisure battery is charged from. The near side underneath this cover here keeps all charged up. Water filled from here. Moving down, there's the near side alloy, didn't want to forget that. This is an Eco Blue engine, so AdBlue goes in there as well as diesel at the bottom. AdBlue makes this a Euro 6.2 compliant vehicle, kind for the birds and the trees and the bees and everything in between. Now please bear with me, the boots have to come off for this because we have a glorious carpet in there. This is a home from home. Right, underneath here, cool box or fridge, whatever you'd like to call it. We have different shelves, cupboards, got drawers for your cutlery in there as well. How are you going to cook, I hear you say? 2 hob gas burner. Nice bolognese will be cooked on there. Running water and a sink, somewhere to do your washing up. The old owner of this vehicle really cared for it. Got lovely carpet in, we've got little accessories such as these little mats. It's in marvellous condition. Anyway, 2 USBs, a power socket down there, nice little storage area. This is your wardrobe effectively. This is where you can hang all your clean or dirty clothes. Ladder there to help you access the bed, which is up there, that comes down. You've got a beautiful memory foam double mattress. This here is the control panel for only the heating, water levels. We've got your battery on there as well. It's all going on. It's good to know. Cool box temperature. What a fantastic little control panel. Moving through, more storage. Outside umbrella. 2 ISO fixing seats, so we can have 4 people driving along nicely in this vehicle. This lays down to become a double bed, would you believe? So it's a 4-berth camping van. We've got 2 captain's chairs there. As you can see, they rotate 180 degrees. So this is a lovely like living area, if you like. So you can sit here and enjoy your evening playing cards and other things such as that. Please note in the floor there and over there we have different vents for the heating, so it's going to keep it nice and cool or nice and warm in the winter. The lovely pop-up section of the Nugget there, just give you a good view of there. As you can see, we have zips so you can unzip it. You can have your mozzie mesh as well. Lets a nice bit of fresh air into the Nugget at all times. I've kept it up like that so you can just see the condition of it, but it looks lovely indeed. Down on this panel here is a carbon monoxide monitor, essential when you're using gas inside, so we leave those on there for the next user. Different switches around the vans. You have dimming switches for the lights. They're beautiful LED strip lighting, so you can turn it all on, turn it all off if you require. Very nice place to be. Behind this, it's hard to show you with one hand, but let's show you from the other side. There's a hole here. Through here we have all of the controls for your electricity. Up there we have your water heater. Underneath this cover here and underneath these wooden covers are the tanks for the water and your gas, so it's all beautifully constructed. Let's go show you the front seats quickly for the last minute. There's a sync monitor, air conditioning. Don't buy a Nugget without air conditioning. If you do have a Nugget, you're going to be very warm. These seats heated as well. I think that's about it for me, so I'm going to take a seat. What a job. Lovely. Thank you very much for watching. Please give us a call. Speak to you soon.